Okay, so we're running the program again, and this is now coming to the end of its cycle. It's got a few more measurements to do on the probe. So that height there, it's going to go and get the single probe just to do that one thickness I couldn't get to. So that's going to just do that and go and get the other one. There we go. And he's going to come over here. And this is then going to be the end of the cycle. So it's going to touch, it's going to go back, pop the probe back, and then it's going to go to the home position. So in effect the operator could, there you go. So it's back to the home position, the operator can then take the part off. So it completes the measuring routine on here, and we would go File, Reporting, and you would get a standard report here with your name and everything. I would call it Magellan 1, and you can see all the results in and out of spec here. Some these are all the diameters, but here we've got things like things that we named and tolerance, etc. So it's quite, there's a lot of measurements on there. So that data there is done. We've also, if I go to Tools here and go to Playback Options, what we've done here is that we've exported the data here, look, into a file. And this is going into QC Calc. So if I just press QC Calc here, here's the data here, look. There's all the individual characteristics being measured. You can see on here, look, we've got things like PW1, PW2, the web thickness, the heights, etc. So all the measurements there. At the moment we've just run 8 sequences on this, and you've got all the statistical data here if you wanted to see it. So all the stats are all up here to be viewed, the process capability indices, etc. So they're all automatic. So that data is going into a database. You can put it on your network, and then we could also have we could run the Office Buddy. So I just come down here actually and go to ProLink, Office Buddy here, and we just run that too. Now this is a program that would run on your machine, so maybe you want to produce fares. Now obviously this data can come from anywhere, it doesn't have to just come from one machine. And if I go File, Open, Magellan 1, here is the data that we've got, and all the data with the individual diameters, etc. here. Now we've got here a list of different types of inspection reports. These can be designed by yourself, so you can have what you like. But we've got an AS9000 set up here. If I just click on that, and we'll do all dimensions, see what we get here. So it's now taking this data, and effectively it's going to open up Excel, because we've got it in an Excel template. We haven't got a license on here, so I'll just cancel that here. But what should be happening now, look, is all the data is being populated straight into that. Just cancel that code there, and here's your report. So it's only done a certain amount. I haven't got it to add extra pages, which it would do automatically. But here you've got all the diameters, the nominals and tolerances, the measured data only for 2, but you can have as many lines as you like. And here you can have things like machine it was working on, who did it, when did they do it, etc. And that can be produced fully automatically with it. And as I say, the data can come from multiple sources filtered into one report. Hope that's useful.